Because they're hot.
We should just put it in the microwave.
What?
You right now.
Cold?
No, to make it, to melt it.
To melt it?
Yeah.
No, that's not healthy.
You're right. It's not. Radiation, cancer.
Radiation, cancer.
Yeah.
Corona.
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 Jazz. Go Jazz. It's Jazz. Go, go, girl. Go, 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 girl. Go, 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 girl. Welcome. It's What's Cooking Wednesday. Go, come here. Now point that way. Hey. Bet. So today we are making what?
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
With what?
I don't know. You tell me.
Chocolate chips. Hey.
Hey. Cool. So we got all the ingredients, right? We needed 2 eggs. Okay, cool. Butter. We didn't have butter sticks because someone would just get regular butter. And it's not unsalted. So in the ingredients, it says to add salt. So my smart self just took the salt out because it's salt in the butter.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so this is supposed to be 4 tablespoons of butter. Cool. And this is baking powder. It's supposed to be 4, what? I don't know. It's supposed to be, I think, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, if I remember correctly. And then 1.25 cups of flour. 1 cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk you want, right? Now, it says 6 ounces of chocolate. I'm guessing it's 6 ounces.
Looks about right.
It feels like 6 ounces.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, though. Oh, my bad. This is actually sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. I was like, this kind of looks kind of small to be 4 ounces. This is 4 ounces of baking powder. Bet. So, what's the first thing we gotta do, Owen?
The first thing we gotta do is
In
a small saucepan,
okay,
combine the butter
and milk.
Place over low heat
Okay.
just until warm.
Okay.
And the butter is melted. Now,
Okay.
After that, we're gonna let it.
We're gonna go slow. So the first step was what? We're gonna put the butter and the milk together and
put it in a
saucepan. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do, you guys. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. So we're gonna wait for that to melt. While we're waiting, what we gotta do next?
We're gonna, in a bowl, combine the flour, sugar.
Whoa, slow down. Flour.
Sugar. Baking powder. And salt, but we don't have salt.
We don't have salt.
So we're gonna mix it well.
Okay, cool. Next.
Okay. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with a fork. And whisk. Okay, and then we have to wait for that and then we add it together.
Okay, cool beans. So, we're gonna have to, because we gotta put the milk and the butter with the eggs, right? Yeah. But they're still melting. So, I'm gonna crack the egg. Or did you wanna crack the egg?
I wanna crack the egg.
Should I juggle?
No.
Oh. So while this cool a little bit, you know, we gotta let that cool because it's too hot. Because the next thing we gotta do, we gotta just mix everything together. We're gonna put it on the pan and we're gonna flip our pancake, you know, just like this, you know, flip, you know, like this. Like that.
The whole pan? We gotta take the spatula.
You take, I forgot you're lefty, so it's weird. Anyways, so yeah, so we're gonna flip it and then it's gonna be a nice pancake. But while we're waiting for that to cool, you guys, let's do some little fun facts, okay? So one fun fact today, chocolate comes from the ground. Did you?
What?
Did you know that?
No, it doesn't.
Alright guys, we're back. It's not cool, but who cares, right? So next thing we gotta do, we gotta pour the milk in the butter with the eggs, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Awesome sauce. Cool, because we made sauce.
We did that.
Yeah, alright. Go ahead, whisk it. Whisk it. What's next?
Combine the two together.
Perfect. Go ahead. Now we're gonna pour the chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Alrighty now.
Yeah.
I just hope since it's, you know, it's hot, the chocolate's already gonna be melting. And then it's gonna make the whole thing chocolate. And then it's gonna be looking like black pancakes.
You said you hope that's gonna happen, or you hope that doesn't happen?
I feel like that's what's going to happen, you see? So I'm gonna stop. But
no, you still gotta mix it more.
yeah, because I see the flour. Make sure y'all get the sides, you guys, because the sides are important. Like the side chicks and your side. I'm just playing.
They are important.
Just playing.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so now the pancakes are going to be like chocolate because it's melted.
It's okay.
It's okay. This is our fashion of pancakes. So it's, I don't know if you probably can see it or cannot see it, but since we didn't wait for the, since we didn't wait for the butter and the milk to melt, it's hot, so it melted the chocolate in the batter. So now the batter is chocolate. So we're about to have chocolate.
Did you see that? It just popped.
It popped.
Popped a little bit.
Oh, it's because it's breathing. Alright guys, so we'll be back. We're going to put it on the pan and we're going to flip it. And we're going to show you the end results and we're going to taste it. And we're going to let y'all know how it goes.
Hey.
Hey. Okay.
Chill.
What is this?
My hand slipped. A little bit too much came out. Chill, it was an accident. You did this.
Wowzers. This the first batch.
How'd you do that, Jazz?
You did this.
Nah.
Okay, you guys, so we're finished making the pancakes. This is how it looks like. I'll give you a better view, maybe, whatever. This is mine. Beautiful.
This is mine. Perfect.
Not beautiful. So we're gonna taste it. Go ahead. We'll do it together. Oh, okay, not together.
It's actually pretty good. Okay.
I don't like this. This is nasty. This is not good. So, this was a fun experience, you know, making chocolate pancakes from scratch, you know. His is really flat because he squished it, as y'all saw in the video. He said he likes it, so he's gonna take this all home.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I ate my one.
I don't want this. This is, give it to your family. They might want some.
Nah.
Okay, so you guys, will see you on Fun Surprise Friday.
Hey.